Alright, this is Mr. Gillum, and today we're going to be looking at an example from your Practice and Problem Solving book on page 165. It says, follow the order of operations to simplify 12 minus 3 squared. So, again, I'm going to touch on this. Some of you may have learned PEMDAS, and that's fine if that helps you remember order of operations, but just keep in mind that parentheses are grouping symbols. So, any of these count, absolute values. Exponents are the little number above the number, a base number. Multiplying, dividing happens from left to right. Okay, so does adding and subtracting. They both do. It does not matter. So PEMDAS is a way better acronym than PEDM, PEDSMA. Okay, these things happen whatever you see happen first. Division or multiplication, subtraction, or addition. There's only 4 steps. Okay, there's not 6 steps to PEMDAS, no matter what, whoever told you, whatever. It doesn't matter because there's really only 4 steps. Division and multiplication happen at the same time. Multiplication and division happen at the same time. Subtract, add, or add, subtract from left to right. Always from left to right. Super, super important because sometimes mistakes are made because we're doing only multiplication before division. Okay, that's not really how it works. All right, it's division and multiplication together, subtract and add, or add and subtract together. So when we are simplifying, they use that terminology, simplify, when we have an expression. And an expression is different than an equation because an equation has an equal sign. An equation has an equal sign. We call that solve. Expression does not. We call that simplify. Expression. No equal sign. Okay. So we need to simplify 12 minus 3 to the second power, also known as 12 minus 3 squared. So obviously first I need to check for any type of grouping symbols, and I don't see any here. I don't see any parentheses, any brackets, any absolute value signs, nothing like that. So step 1, check. Next I'm looking for exponents. So I do see an exponent here, 3 squared, and what I need to think about 3 squared is that is really 3 times 3. It is not 3 times 2. A lot of students like to put just 6 there in place of the 3 squared. That's not really how this works. 12 minus, and so inside this box really what I'm thinking is 3 times 3. I'm going to continue with this exponent until I'm all the way down. So 12 minus 9 is really what I have. Okay, 12 minus 9. And so now there is only one operation. When I say the word operation, I'm referring to addition, subtraction, multiply, or divide. There's only one operation left to do, and that's 12 minus 9. I know that 12 minus 9 is 3. Well, you get in the habit of writing your work vertically from top to bottom, because when you start solving equations, that's how our work is going to flow. So I want to make sure that that's what we're doing when we're simplifying expressions. So there's a little review again of order of operations, grouping symbols, exponents, multiplying and dividing whatever you see first from left to right, and then adding and subtracting whatever you see first from left to right in that order. Okay, so that's it for today. When we simplify the expression, it just equals 3.